So I'm a math teacher, and the kids think that what we're studying has no connection to the world that we live in. And with Vernier technology, we can grab data right away, and they can see how their actions or the thing that we're recording the data from is immediately affecting it.
I feel like a lot of it is real world application that students get to see. And with next generation science standards, we really want students to think like scientists. And I feel like using these probes helps students to see, well, this is what scientists do.
So my students can be anywhere in the world, record the motion of a car or a subway train, generate graphs of motion. I just think it reinforces that real world context of learning that I'm always striving to do with my students.
The benefits of using Vernier technology in my instruction is that my kids are feeling like they are real scientists because they're using tools, they're getting data in real time, they're creating graphs, they're sharing, they're collaborating. So the technology is very beneficial for me and my students. We love it.